Good morning everyone. I'm Yashwata. She's Atvika. She's Gauri. We are the team WebWizards. We are studying in grade 8 at Excel Public School, Mysuru.
Our problem statement is to design a solution to tackle the lack of digital literacy in students.
In today's world, digital literacy is no longer just a useful skill, it's a necessity. However, many students, especially in rural areas, face significant challenges in gaining basic digital skills like navigating the internet, using email, and understanding online safety. These gaps in skills make them vulnerable to online risks and limit their access to future opportunities. The problem we aim to solve is a lack of fundamental digital literacy among students. Although many students have access to technology, they often struggle with basic tasks like browsing the web, using email, and staying safe online. This knowledge gap is further worsened by limited resources, especially in rural areas.
We surveyed class 7th students at Excel Public School using a Google form to access their digital literacy skills. The results highlighted a clear need for an engaging solution to improve these fundamental skills like internet safety, etc.
Many existing tools focus on individual aspects like coding or internet safety, but don't address the full scope of digital literacy. To address these challenges, we have designed the WebWizards board game to help students learn these essential skills engagingly and interactively. This hands-on screen-free game teaches core digital skills like internet navigation, email communication, and online safety, making learning fun and accessible.
The WebWizards board game is designed for students where players move through different zones: internet, browser, email, and safety zones. Each zone has unique challenges that teach real life skills.
For example, when a player lands on the internet zone, they draw a challenge card that tests their knowledge on topics like web navigation or search engine use.
Players roll the dice to move forward on the board. Whenever they land on a zone, they must complete a task or challenge specific to that zone. If they succeed, they earn more points and a token as a reward. If they are unable to complete the task, they can use a hint or a tip card to assist them in improving their skills at their own pace. However, if they use a hint card to complete the task, they will not earn points and there will be a deduction of points along with the return of one token. Our solution, WebWizards, provides a comprehensive approach to digital literacy. Unlike other games that focus only on one aspect like coding or internet safety, our game covers internet navigation, email use, and online safety all in one.
The three of us came up with the idea of developing this board game. We thank our mentor for guiding us through the entire project.
Thank you.